In 19th century cities, the day often began before the sun appeared. Streets glistened with rain, soot drifted through the air, and steam rose from grates beneath hurried footsteps. A single mistake in the crowded streets could mean serious injury, or worse. For many families, privacy was a luxury they would never know. Entire households lived within a single cramped room, while narrow hallways echoed with the sounds of neighbors separated only by thin walls. Even something as simple as water required effort. Long lines formed around public pumps each morning, and there was no guarantee the water was clean. Yet families depended on it for drinking, cooking, and washing. Food was another daily uncertainty. Markets overflowed with noise and bargaining, but quality was far from guaranteed. Meat sat exposed for hours, covered in dust and flies, while buyers hoped their limited coins would stretch another day. Back home, cooking was a battle against smoke and contamination. Boiling water was one of the few defenses against illness, though many people still had little understanding of how disease actually spread. The Industrial Revolution promised progress, but inside textile mills, the reality was different. Machines thundered endlessly, dust filled the air, and workers spent long hours handling equipment shared by hundreds of others. For coal miners, the workday led deep underground. Daylight disappeared behind them as lanterns became their only source of light. The deeper they descended, the more dangerous the world became. Sanitation remained a constant challenge. Courtyard latrines served entire buildings, and waste often found its way into the streets. During warm weather, the smell alone could overwhelm entire neighborhoods. When illness struck, hospitals offered little comfort. Charity wards were crowded, understaffed, and often overwhelmed. Beds were packed tightly together, and recovery was never guaranteed. For the poorest families, the workhouse represented a final option. Entering often meant surrendering freedom, and in many cases, being separated from loved ones under strict institutional rules. As evening approached, danger remained close. At busy dockyards, heavy cargo swung above workers' heads. A snapped rope or a moment of bad luck could change a life forever. When night finally arrived, gas lamps cast an amber glow across quiet streets. The city seemed peaceful from a distance. Yet behind every darkened window, families prepared to face the same challenges again tomorrow.